Hello, children. You know, many adults, or even teenagers too, 14 years old, 16 years old, they talk as if they were prisoners. They were behind bars, stuck in the cell, right? Like this, oh, let me out, let me out. And yeah, they stay there forever. And they get together. They join the same joint pretty much every night and talk about the same old glory days 45 years ago. Same story, and same faces they see, same food they eat. And yeah, and that's the end of it. You don't want to be one of those. It's very simple not to be one of those. Believe in yourself. Leave the place. So simple. Leave the place. Believe in yourself. And they talk as if they were, oh yeah, they are in the bird cage. Yes, they're in the cage. They talk as if they were, the doors were locked. No, no, the door is not locked. The gate is not locked. Yep. It's not locked. Big bird is flying in the limitless sky. Little ones too. Funny. Bugs are free. Even the fallen leaves is free.